Go for you to fucking. So today has actually been fairly productive. Sunday, didn't ride the bike, got stuck into the car, got a bit of work done, and got the two arm bar door bars in, and both actually looking fairly even. Now it didn't all go smooth. Not concentrating, the door ringing. I'll blame anything I can at the minute, but there's one that's maybe a good spare for the wrong side that I was wanting, and the other one was just a nip short on one piece. It's been a long Sunday in the garage, and I've got a good bit done, so I think I'm gonna throw in the towel at the minute and crack on during the week. But I'll show you what I've got done today, and I'm pretty happy with it. It actually turned out a lot more symmetrical and tidy than I thought it might. So let's have a look. So I already had, you've probably seen before, main hoop is in and welded, and then dash bar in. So today I was doing the door bars. I decided to do them before the front hoop or any of that, or the rear stays, because it's Sunday and I've probably got more spare time today to mess with it than any other day of the week. And I thought it would be the most complicated one to try and get, you can see, sort of to match the shape of the car and to kick up across the arch and in. Took a bit of messing about to get the height right so that it wasn't interfering with my arm or anything like that, so a lot of sitting in the car in and out. But that's both sides tacked in, and they're both fairly even. They're not exact, but they're pretty good. So yeah, I think do a bit of tidying up, did a lot of grinding. Everything's covered in grinding dust and holes saw swart, so pretty happy with how all this turned out. About the notches tube on my workbench here. Not a bad cut for the homemade notcher. I took some rough measurements then, sat in the car, got an idea of what height I want the front roll hoop to be, and trying to follow the contour of the scuttle panel, just to make it look a bit nicer, make it look like a bit of effort's went into it rather than just two goalposts stuck together. And sure, I could probably do with a wee goalpost for some hockey practice, but we'll give this one a go. Just laid it out, 2D sketch in CAD, got my numbers off it. Quite easy to put in some radiuses, so that you get an idea of where your bend can start and what sort of angle of bend you need in each part. So that looks fairly close to the shape I'm after. It'll be a 10-degree bend and then a 70-degree at the top. So hopefully we can get them in the right place, and I think I'll cut a tube and start marking it out here and see how it goes. That's our job down, sit where it needs to sit. So now I'll just measure up for the front hoop. Try and decide what angle I want it at. And what shape. This will obviously be cut off fairly flush. You get the grinder treatment. That side, I know. If it breaks down, you can just do a cool runnings with it. The front hoop in, have it mostly welded. It looks a bit squinty there, but it's actually the screen. The screen's not even, it's closer to the front at this side than it is at this side, and that's obviously angled, lifting that up. At the top bit's closer to here than it is there, but it's all level, measures up compared to the back. I reckon that's quite hard to see, but I think that's a nice enough sort of rake to it without being excessive.
And you had, what's the diameter of the tube?
1 3/4 inches.
That's constrained. Where's the fucking one for just drawing something?
Volvo table. To be shed.
And what fucking
Uh-oh, it's happening again. just capping off the ends of the tubes with a couple of those, just to tidy it up, and then finish painting the rest of it. Started into painting the rest of the cage last night just as a bit of an easy win. Couldn't be bothered making noise and getting the grinder out.